Hello friends, today I am going to explain one idiom which is having frog in your throat. It means to have difficulty in speaking because your throat feels dry and blocked and you want to cough. It has two different meanings depending on the context in which you are using it. One you can use for physical symptom like you are having cold and cough problem, your throat is sore and you are unable to speak, and second one is for the nervousness. Here I have given some examples. Very first is sorry I couldn't speak much as I have frog in my throat. This can be used as you are having sore throat. Sore throat मतलब गले में खराश होना. If you are having cough and cold and you are having sore throat, you are unable to speak properly. You face difficulty in speaking clearly. Second sentence is, whenever I start recording video, I feel like I am getting a frog in my throat as I am camera shy. This is the sentence which shows the nervousness and hesitation. So I want you all to make two sentences using the same idiom. One is for the cough and cold and second one is for the nervousness. I have used the word camera shy. You can also use the word camera conscious. These both words you can use in your speaking skills when the question is tell something about yourself or tell something about your personality. There is also part 1 topic depending on the selfies and photos where you can say I am bit of camera shy. Otherwise, I don't have photogenic face, so I always be camera conscious during photo shoot. I hope these idioms and words are useful to you. If you like, please press like button, and if you don't like, you can have freedom to dislike the video. Thank you and have a nice day.